Hi guys, maulan na umaga sa inyong lahat. Inuulan kami dito ngayon sa Calgary. Long weekend pa naman, no? Paano kaya yung mga nagka-camping nearby? So sana safe sila kasi medyo mahirap mag-camping ng maulan guys eh. Mabasa yung ground, tapos syempre malamig. And then lalo na sa gabi, di ba? Ta-travel yan sa higaan ninyo. So hopefully safe ang lahat. Yan, kami naman ngayon, hindi kami nag-camping for this week, kahit long weekend. And today, ayan, sasamahan tayo ni Kuya Daniel. Actually, yung pupuntahan nating bahay ngayon ay recommended ng aming realtor. So, sabi niya kasi, merong great value tayong makikita dito sa bahay na ito. And sa mga nagre-request pa ng mga, di ba, house tours dito sa southeast area. Ito na ang pagbabalik ng ating house tours sa bandang southeast area. Right? So ito
Tapos na ba tayo sa ibang quadrant?
Hindi pa no, yung mga past videos nakita nyo, tatlong northeast. So tingin nyo ba mag-explore pa tayo sa ibang quadrant or dagdagan pa natin yung tinitingnan natin sa northeast. So nag-enjoy tayo dyan nung bumisita tayo sa northeast.
Pwede siguro yung medyo malapit-lapit ng konti.
Oo, yung malapit-lapit. Medyo malayo kasi guys sa amin yung northeast. Although binisita talaga namin.
Maganda.
Kasi para walang regrets ba na hindi namin tiningnan.
Sinubukan.
Oo, sinubukan. So, pwede tayong mag-explore. Bandang northeast na baba, di ba?
Oo, yung medyo lang.
Oo, hindi yung bandang airport na.
Oo, kasi yung nakita natin na maganda is pagitan ng airport at saka Cross Iron.
Cross Iron, super layo na yun sa
layo
atin.
talaga.
Pero yun temptation yun baby kung doon tayo, no?
Oo.
Katabi mo Cross Iron, di ba nakita nyo naman napabili pa tayo. So kung madalas ka sa Cross Iron, edi wala na. Lulustay na tayo ng pera.
Wala na, finish na.
So dapat yung naman, makakatipid-tipid tayo. So anyway, andito tayo sa community ng Queensland. Ayan, so hindi ko pa na-explore yung listing dito pero I think this is a detached house. And may great value dito kasi napakahirap guys makakita na ng detached dito sa Calgary na nasa worth 400 to 500,000. Napakamahal na ngayon ng mga detached. Nasa 600 to 800 na. Ayan, so medyo maulan. And so hopefully ay masurvive natin kasi we will be visiting 3 houses today. So ito yung first one. Samahan nyo kami guys!
So guys, dito na tayo. Kinukoperan ko lang yung camera, no? Kasi hindi to waterproof eh. So ito yung guys, yung bahay. Ayan, no? So pasok na tayo. Actually, kakaalis lang nung may-ari. Okay.
What community is this?
Deeran, Queensland, Deeran.
Oh, dear.
Yeah, I grew up around here.
Okay.
Okay.
So community to ni Kuya Daniel before. You grew up here?
Okay.
I spent my time here during high school.
Oh, dito siya nag-high school.
I got friends who lived here.
Hi Kuya Daniel, how are you?
I'm good.
Nice to see you again!
It's been a long time.
Long time, no see.
Hello, everyone.
Yes. Wala nang gamit pala
So,
talaga.
this is, remember that the place we saw? It needs a little bit of fix up.
Yeah.
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 Exact same thing.
Like the Prestwick?
yeah, but
okay.
this is a little bit better because
Yeah.
it's big.
Yeah, I think so.
It's big. It has some work to be done, but you can still live here.
It's cheaper. Like I think that's 560. This one is 500,000.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And
500.
it's usually the backyard.
Okay, let's see. Let's try to
Check
explore
muna
it.
natin muna pagpasok dito sa pinaka main door. So,
May
Ano to?
na agad, may room na agad, baby.
mayroon siya dito agad. Oo nga, no?
Wag naman.
See, it needs a little bit of work, but the thing is doable, you know?
So, ito guys. May laki Oh, ito yan. Dito yung closet mo.
Actually, leave your shoes on. I don't like those carpets. Just leave your shoes on.
Yeah. Tapos yung window niya malaki din. Kita mo agad dito yung labas nyo. Yan. Malaki to guys. Oh, kayang king size dito. Tapos may TV ka pa. Pwede ka maglagay ng TV. Yan.
Just put your shoes on, Kuya. Those carpet, it needs to be take down.
Okay.
Okay.
Yan. So anyway, napakalaking
Yan.
window dito ngayon sa Sala. Ano ba?
Pinapikita ko na yung room dito. Dito muna tayo sa pangalawa. O sige, ulitin natin dito.
Ngayon ko na napasok.
Oo, kasama natin si Emma.
May room agad no, kung gusto mo.
Laki ano? King size pwede. Tapos may TV ka pa.
Oo, malaki-laki.
Laki to, oh.
Saan mo baka malat-lat?
Ah. So, check natin yung kabila. Ito, room din.
Baby, 3 bedroom agad dito.
Oh?
Kailangan mo talaga pagawin yung carpet. Kasi medyo ano siya, madumi.
Yeah.
Pero ano okay lang yan kasi kailangan talaga yan yung iniiwan na ng seller for you to do. Kaya pinapabaan na nila yung price.
Presyo.
So, if it's changing carpets, ano mo yan, isasama mo sa box.
So again, this is 500,000.
Yeah, dito sa Queen's
Yeah.
Eye.
So second bedroom to, ha?
Dito sa Masters na napakalaki.
Then,
Ang laki
ito na yung master's
Ay,
bedroom.
hindi ko alam kung Masters na to.
Oo, ito na siguro. Mas malapad siya eh. Kasi yung una natin is medyo pahaba siya ng konti. So dalawa yung closet mo. Yan. Then ito yung backyard mo. Yan. Dito hindi tayo makalabas guys sa backyard kasi naulan. Yan. Then ito yung washroom. Para dito sa ano mo. Sa master's bedroom. Ayan. Yun nga lang guys na medyo old na yung design ng house. Even yung mga cabinet na dito. Yung sa ilalim ng sink nyo. Ayan. Then yung carpet nga medyo talagang old na talaga siya. No? Pero ito guys is detached. So ito bagay ito sa mga yung medyo may edad na wala ng second floor. Nandito na lahat. Ito yung pinaka main washroom. Yeah. So far okay naman yung exhaust. Then typical
So,
bathtub.
Feel ko old built to.
Yeah.
So you just have to maintain or make renovations daw. Kasi ganito yan, laki din talaga ng gawa, no? Malalaki yung houses before. Ito, repainted. Extra storage.
This one, yeah. Storage. Then may fireplace ka dito. Ito na yung pinaka living area guys. Ang laki oh. Luwag oh. Tingnan nyo naman.
That's a basement.
Oh, okay.
Haba.
Wait until you see the basement.
You need
Okay.
some work, but
Yeah.
honestly, this
It was
property
beautiful.
is
Yeah.
good value. If you're willing to do the work. This is a character home.
Right.
So back then, 1970s and above, they hire architects to build a home.
Mm-hmm.
So it's individually made for you.
Okay. Because now,
Now it's
There's no
one
architect.
architect or
Oh.
two and a builder, and they'll approve it and send them off. It's
okay.
an architect that actually comes here,
Okay.
check and they build it.
Oh, that's nice.
So that's why all the houses are different in the 80s and the 70s.
I see. Yeah, but now it's all similar.
Cookie cut.
Yeah.
This is a character. I like this style.
Yeah, I can see.
You can see all the history. Look at the history. There's history,
Wow.
right? You know what I mean?
Wow.
Who's that?
Who's that? Zoe, grandma. Oh, yeah, it tells a story.
That's a story.
We'll put here Zion.
And houses like this is hard to come by because people rebuild it and make it happen for their family.
Oh, yeah.
It's got that vibe and that feeling.
So-
Deer Run, Queensland is an older community. It's also closer to Fish Creek Park.
Can you see this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So much green space. Yeah, actually deer that come right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Queensland is a good area.
So the style here is bungalow. Of course, if you're gonna buy a detached, there's no like monthly maintenance fee or condo fee, but you do have to do your own like everything maintenance outside.
You're liable for inside and out.
Oh, okay. Got it. Okay.
But for a first time home buyer and you're willing to work for it,
Yeah.
just get this done.
Mhm.
It's gonna look really good. Look at the backyard.
Yeah, baby, ang
Yan,
na-
laki nga, laki ng backyard. niya.
Window.
Hindi tayo makalabas kasi ano eh,
Hindi,
maulan.
dito, no?
Yeah, hindi, pinakita ko na rin kanina din sa kabila
Pero
eh.
it doesn't have
Ayan.
like the garage no, but you can put it here.
But I'll open the backyard.
Laki eh.
Come on, Zach.
He can go out. Ay, pero dito ka na lang sa ano. May sino.
Then ito nga pala guys, yung kitchen niya, ano? Ayan, so pakita ko sa inyo yung kitchen.
Diba?
Then, ito yung papuntang backyard.
Laki no. Laki yung mga old houses.
Ah, dito rin yung basement. Okay, so later punta tayo basement.
The backyard.
Ayan, ito yung backyard niya.
Laki.
Laki nga.
Yeah.
For the price?
Yeah.
Lagi ka RV dito, oh.
Yeah, the RV garage nga raw to.
Mhm.
And then, if you want to upgrade, you can...
Ah, dun si Zion. Pwede dun si Zion.
One thing I suggest, if you're gonna build a garage, take the tree down.
Oh. Maybe
You see
like...
the crack in the middle?
Yeah.
Mhm.
It's going this way.
Zion, come.
Because
Okay.
you're liable for that just in case something
Oh,
happens
that's
to your
dangerous.
neighbor.
There's already a crack.
Yeah, see, huge crack.
So I know, it's raining.
You're right.
Yan natin. Yan, may
Why
crack.
crack back? Like,
It's stretching. It's getting old.
oh, it's starting to like
It's starting to split.
split.
It's massive.
Oh, ito yung likod guys, oh. Ayan.
Napakahaba, no?
Mm.
Ang
Laki ng backyard niya.
laki, and just imagine yung basement niyan.
This is the basement.
What's this kuya niya? Furnace or whatever? Electrical room?
Leave this open.
Wow,
Oh,
like
laki
another.
din.
Is that a garage?
Oh, garage, yeah.
Oh,
It is a garage.
Yeah.
Oh, how sweet.
garage there? Oh, there's like attached car. We did not see that.
I didn't see it either.
Yeah.
They didn't post it.
Oh, okay.
That's cool.
Laki ng garage.
Garage. Oh, that's nice.
Mhm.
Oh, doon pa, hindi mo na kailangan magpagawa ng garage eh. Ano lang dito, upgrade.
Yeah, upgrade.
Let's go
Come
to
on.
the basement.
Into the basement.
Let's go, Zion.
I-close mo yung door. Ito na yung basement niya.
I'll just go.
Oh! Laki!
Yeah, it's...
Oh, may bar pa dito. Pwede ka maglagay ng mini bar.
Oh,
Hmm.
baka maligaw ako.
Tapos may billiards, ano pa doon? Billiards table.
It's so cool, man.
Yeah,
This
like
is so
an entertainment space.
Laki!
Wow.
It's huge. There's more here.
Grabe.
And then there's a...
May rep pa siya dito. Oh.
Oh, kasi you have to...
May tubig pa,
You have
umaandar
to
pa.
serve your people.
Yeah.
Doing the billiards. Yeah.
It's actually good find.
And this one, you have a washroom.
Washroom.
And with a stand-up, shower.
Mhm.
That's nice.
Dun sa may ilaw. Yeah.
I-adjust pa ng temperature dito. Ito.
Digital. Yeah.
Galing mo, laki nito.
Mhm.
For 500K.
500,000. Yeah. So, dito pa lang, oh,
But-
laki na to.
but
Pwede ka maglagay ng kwarto ulit dito.
Oo nga. You just have to do your like finishings, upgrades. Kasi,
Kaso hindi siya legal. Kasi maliit yung...
oo, kayang-kaya
Window.
dito maglagay.
Ah, ito ata. Ito, pwede dito.
Mhm.
Kasya tao dito eh.
Mm.
Yeah, pwede. Legal.
Oo.
Oo.
Papaayos.
Kasi basta once, guys, kailangan kasya yung tao dito. If ever magkaroon ng sunog, makakadaan ka dyan. Oo.
Nice, no? Laki.
Laki.
Ilang square feet to?
Check mo dun sa ano.
Mommy says stick.
Yeah, no, don't touch. Hindi yan laruan. Put mo yan dyan.
No, it's a bowling.
May
So, this
kompleto
is-
oh.
1,216 square feet. Pero baka hindi sinasama tong basement
Ayaw
to.
ko. Tanong mo kay
Kasi ang
Daniel.
lawak na ng taas.
Oo.
Tama.
Tanong mo kay Shh, Sayang, no. Come na. Come na. Yan yung ano nyo, table nyo. Oh.
Grabe, no?
Hindi ko alam eh kung ano yung brand na yan. Kung parang mukhang antique na to eh.
mamahalin.
Oo,
Ayun yung mga ano niya. Oh.
Naka-cover pa talaga siya eh. Ganda.
I'll show you the utility room.
Utility room namin.
Okay.
Kuya Daniel will show us.
Ito yung washroom.
Anong washroom? Laundry.
Ah, laundry, sorry. Nandito yung laundry.
Big laundry.
Ang
You
laki.
can get customers for doing laundry. There's a lot of
Dami.
space.
Ay, para sa relo natin, oh.
Oh,
I mean, utility needs some.
Like
This will
upgrading.
need some little bit upgrading eventually. That's
Yeah.
a 1990s. Looks like a 1990s furnace.
okay, kind of old. Okay.
Yeah. So eventually you'll need that. I mean, it has a good kick to it still because you feel the air coming out.
Mhm.
Like I'll get a home specialist.
Okay.
Electrical will eventually need to be repaired, replaced.
Mhm.
It looks like aluminum to me.
Okay.
Aluminum's not allowed.
Hot tub washer.
But that's an
So
easy
you're-
fix. It does cost money to repair it.
Mhm.
But the size of the house has good value.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it
It's
is.
huge.
It's really huge,
For price half a mil.
right?
This is a house like this is 750,
Wow.
800.
Yeah,
Fix
coming
them
from
up.
a realtor, house like this big, like it's already 750,000.
Wow.
More than that.
Yeah.
Because this is the backyard. See the size of the room.
And there's a garage. Okay,
So
great value.
you buy it for say 500, right?
Yeah.
And you invest 80,000
Mm-hmm.
to start, right?
Okay. That's
And next thing you
already-
know, you spend 600, but the value is already 150
Right.
more.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah. Good investment.
You cannot find this kind of place. It's hard to find this kind of size of the house.
Right. Yeah, it's for our first time to see this one, like this huge. Like.
I love bungalow. Bungalow is my favorite.
Mm-hmm. They were really really big.
And
Ganda.
bungalows are easier to heat too, because you get 2 floors.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No need to
High
go
rise.
higher
Exactly.
up.
Yeah.
How is the like water tank here
The water tank?
Yeah.
You need to replace that.
or replace it? Okay. Okay.
Let's go talk upstairs.
Yeah.
Or-
Come on, Zion.
here.
So, ayan. Okay, so, okay tayo. Laki. Laki na to. Laking bahay. So, dito. Dito pa tayo galing pala kanina. Oo.
Kasi lahat ng rooms nandito na sa baba.
Ayan.
Usually kasi nakikita natin na sa taas yung house. Ay, yung rooms. So, I think this is better than the other one. It has so much space.
Oh, yeah,
The one
the-
in Presby.
Presby,
Yeah. So
But
much
this one
space here.
needs almost an equal amount of repairs.
Yeah,
but
okay.
It's bigger,
Yeah,
so it
it
might
is
cost a little bit more.
Yeah,
repairs.
I see. Oh,
This is twice as big. This
Right.
picture.
It says there that it's 1,200 feet, so it just like counts now.
Just the top.
Oh,
It doesn't count the bottom.
so it's like 2,400. Okay, yeah,
That's massive.
right. It's big for 500K. But what,
Alright guys, so tapos na kami check. Actually guys, sobrang laki talaga na to. So yung 1,200 square feet, itong first level pa lang, yung ilalim pa. So twice mo yun. So nasa 2,400 something. So laki. Tapos tingnan nyo naman yung front nyo.
yeah, okay, perfect.
Di ba? Ang laki hanggang doon. Yan. Yun nga lang, no? Pagka winter time, ikaw talaga yung magsha-shovel niyan. Yung harapan mo, yung dito mo. Kasi nga wala namang condo dito. Alright. So,
Okay, let's go.
let's go.
Maybe kaya gusto ko mas puti ang ilaw talaga eh.
Pero kapag napinturahan mo to, mas magkano to. Mas gaganda to.
This is really a good value for
Yeah.
detached, guys.
500.
Nandito ka pa sa Calgary.
Yeah.
Napakalaki.
Ganda. Pinturahan nga lang to. Maganda to.
Tignan mo nga,
Meron.
Oh, yung
Oo,
garage?
nakita ko yung garahe.
hindi nakalagay
Pero
dito.
I think manual siya parang.
Manual?
Hindi ko sure hindi ko sure. Hindi ko sure. Kasi may nakita lang akong handle dito eh. Ito oh. Ayun oh, may handle eh. So, siguro iangat mo lang siya. Di ba? May handle eh. Tapos ikot mo yung lock.
Oo nga.
Di ba? So, dito may daanan pa rin dito sa gilid.
Ang laki.
Ganda.
It's like grandma's house.
Pero pag na-renovate to, ang ganda niyan.
Sabi nga ni Kuya Daniel, kasi nakakita syempre sila ng kung ano yung good value na property o hindi. Within 3 days daw mabibili to. Sobrang ganda.
Yeah. Ayun. Lagi na lang 1 to si Zion. Alright guys, so papunta na tayo dun sa second natin na house. Pero syempre, hindi na baga next video na yon kasi medyo mahaba naman na tong video na to kung idudugtong natin dun. Alright, so dito na namin tatapusin guys tong video na to. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa aming tour na naman ngayon. And yeah, hanggang dito na lang. See you on the next one. Peace!